None. Could this be the turning point in the video game industry? SAG-AFTRA just made a groundbreaking deal. After months of striking, SAG-AFTRA has clinched a crucial agreement with over 80 video game titles regarding the use of AI. This is a big win for video game performers who can now get back to work, but with their rights firmly protected. The deal covers essential areas like fair pay, mandatory rest, health benefits, transparent auditions, and stringent safety measures. These terms are designed to safeguard performers from the potential threats posed by AI, like being replaced or exploited without consent. However, the strike isn't over yet. Major players like Disney, Warner Brothers, and EA are still holding out. But this victory shows that change is possible, and other companies might soon follow suit. SAG-AFTRA remains dedicated to securing a fair deal for all video game performers, ensuring their creative contributions are valued in this evolving AI landscape. So what's next for the industry? Only time will tell. Follow G's Finance for all the latest financial news.